Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Plug in or ensure battery is above 20% because recording drains power. Open Settings, go to Apps, find Screen Recorder and tap Permissions. This is critical because without microphone and storage access, the recorder won't save or capture audio. Also enable display over other apps so the recorder overlay appears. Once done, make sure battery saver is off and background restrictions are removed. Otherwise, the recorder can be killed mid-recording. Next, you configure recording parameters. Open the Screen Recorder app and set resolution and frame rate. Higher values give smoother video but produce larger files, so choose based on storage. Adjust bitrate to balance quality and file size. Select audio source, microphone for narration, system audio for internal sound, or both when available. This matters because Android sometimes blocks internal audio without system support. Finally, pick Save Location and toggle Show Touches. If now perform a short test recording to confirm visuals and audio are correct. Always test before a long session because issues are easier to fix in a short clip. If the recorder fails to start or files are corrupted, clear app cache and storage, grant permissions again, or reinstall the recorder. If problems persist, restart the phone and recheck MIUI-specific permissions like auto start and background activity. This often resolves mysterious kills. If you still have trouble, try a third-party recorder with the same settings to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.